Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing a review of the So Delicious non-dairy ice cream. So I don't usually buy this, but it was on sale, so and people always ask me what other options they have, snack options, because they don't want to give up things that might be dairy free or that have dairy. So take a look at this. Okay, so this is dairy free salted caramel cluster, gluten free as well. Check that out. And there you go. If you guys want to read it, pause the video, of course. So this is the ingredients. So you got cashew base, cane sugar, coconut, cocoa, chocolate liqueur, and it's a little bit more difficult to read through the camera, but if you guys want to read it, pause it. 18 grams of sugar though per half a cup. So, and this here is 500 mils. So let's do a quick taste test. See how this actually tastes. So their base is a cashew base. Some of them will use a coconut base as well. So it does have pea protein in there as a thing right there. If you guys wanted to know. Let's open this up here. There we go. Check that out. Let me see how it smells. It does have the caramel smell to it. Let's do a quick taste test. It is soft. There we go. Oh yeah, this is quite good. You probably wouldn't notice this was dairy free. It's actually really good. Texture is not as creamy, so it's more like it's not a sorbet, but it does have it still has a creamy feel to it, and it has a rich caramel taste to it. You can taste the cashews. Definitely check it out, guys. It's lighter in taste. Like it just feels lighter. It's not like as heavy as cream would be. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.